Hey guys, welcome back to the YouFact channel. We didn't waste time in vain and have found new gadgets to refresh your room and set some extraordinary accents. Tell us in the comments section which of them looks the most outstanding to you. Those who watch the video till the end can take part in our giveaway and win cool Tetris stackable LED lamp. Let's go! Here's something to organize your working place. One gadget with 7 functions which combines calendar, clock, and pen holder all in one. The desk lamp offers 3 levels of dimmable brightness, suitable for students to use as a LED desk reading light, and is flexible enough to adjust any light angle. The Spectrum ring with 256 color-changing base will create any variety of atmosphere. Just touch it and choose the preferable color. Thanks to the built-in USB charging port, you can feed your phone while you're working. Large capacity pencil holder is perfect for keeping office supplies. It's the gadget that meets all your requirements and saves a lot of space on your desk. It doesn't matter whether you're a professional musician or an amateur. Novation's Launchpad Pro is the instrument you need. It's the most powerful 64-pad MIDI grid controller for producing both in Ableton Live and with your hardware. It gives you everything you need to create and perform your tracks, launch clips and scenes, access mixer and device controls, and quantize duplicate and double, all without touching your mouse. The device's velocity and pressure-sensitive pads are bigger and more responsive than ever, perfect for playing grooves and launching clips. Scale mode locks pads to a musical key so you never hit a wrong note. Chord mode is an inspirational tool for building harmonies. One more feature is that you can customize your Launchpad. Just drag and drop widgets in Novation components to configure the layout of the 8x8 grid, then store configurations as one of 8 custom modes. That's it. Design the perfect controller for your live setup and perform with all your gear however you want. These Go Duo little speakers are the best portable mini speakers you've ever heard. Unlike any other device on the market, these speakers have a magnetic connectable base to perform as one pill-shaped speaker or as 2 individual speakers, perfect for listening at home or on the go. They come with everything one needs to use them, including a dual-split USB power cable and AC adapter, so you can charge both of the speakers simultaneously using this single cable. Enjoy up to 18 hours non-stop music without being recharged. These speakers are IPX5 certified, water-resistant, dust-resistant, and shock-proof, so you can use them anywhere. If that wasn't enough, the manufacturers included a free carrying case for additional support. We know your dwelling lacks this diamond. Meet Version Tech Bluetooth speaker. Combination of music and colorful magic atmosphere lighting. Highly quality speaker inside provides strong bass without distortion even at highest volume. Built-in Bluetooth V4.1 technology makes it compatible with most Bluetooth-enabled devices, so you can listen to your favorite music from a 33 feet distance, or via aux cable or TF card, depending on your preferences. 6-color rainbow LED lights produce 16 million colors. The intensity of light and color will flash depending on the rhythm and volume of your music. So light and portable, you can take it anywhere and enjoy up to 8 hours of playtime. This nightly pen holder will quickly become a pleasure for the tired mind. Whatever the time of day, this brave warrior is ready to supply you, your pen or pencil, and even idly stand around as a table decoratio, serving the most worthy, you. All of us are in need of a faithful vassal in these troubled times. The Knight pen holder comes with a knight made from resin and pen made from metal with refillable ink. Nevermore shalt thou lose your writing utensils, my lord. Many devices need many outlets, but we all know the number of them is limited. This track socket is the solution for offices, study rooms, kitchens, living rooms, and other premium spaces that need additional light and easy access to power. 7 different adapters will help you to feed literally any gadget. Each of them can be freely inserted and removed in any position or configured according to individual needs. Grounded Sentry shutter system grounds all conductive objects that come into contact with the power track, effectively making it virtually impossible for any hazardous shock. Using several devices has never been easier. This charging cable will definitely impress you. Why? It looks stunning because it shows you the current speed while charging. Lights slow down as the battery gets full and shuts down automatically when 100% charged. The most comfortable visual experience for you. Moreover, the cable has dual USB port, including one 8-pin Lightning port and one micro USB port. What does that mean? It's a perfect solution for a family that has both iPhone and Android phones. Get this glowing charger with light-up blue LED light as a complement to the previous device for maximum effect. Every single piece of this glowing cutie comes with a unique natural crackle pattern. Whatever which one you get, you'll get the unique one. Dual USB port enables you to charge two devices simultaneously, safely and at maximum speed. And yep, no more searches in the dark. Since the charger may serve as a nightlight, you'll find the output easily. Isn't it what you've looking for? Less is more. This lamp's minimal design blends with your interior seamlessly. It can stand anywhere in your room to create a pleasant ambiance and brighten your walls. Lamp's minimalistic design provides indirect light to paint your walls with multicolor glow. Use remote control to set RGB and brightness according to your preferences. Choose one of 16 million colors to change the look of your dwelling. Set the scene effortlessly with one touch of a button. We also recommend you to take a look to the similar product from Philips. Looks the same? Yes. Also, 16 million colors? Yes. The same number of functions? No? Much more. Connect to the Hue Bridge to unlock the full smart lighting control and features, like waking you up in the morning, gently mimicking sunrise, relax in the evening, and prepare your body for a good night's sleep. And all that with the power of the light. You can control the lamp through the Philips Hue app or with your voice using Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or Google Assistant. The app gives you complete control over your device even if you're not home. Switch it off and on remotely using just the app to ensure your home is always lit the way you want it. Are you a big fan of retro games? So you will definitely love this gadget. It's a Tetris stackable LED lamp. The best thing is that it's not just an uncommon accessory for your room, you can play with it. 7 pieces in 7 different colors can be placed any way you like it. Each LED block lights up when stacked together and all of them turn off when removed. The good thing is that the blocks don't disappear when you complete a row. The bad thing is that the blocks don't fall by themselves. Use your hands to fix that. Get a multiple set and create the most marvelous Tetris illumination ever. Want to win a cool Tetris stackable LED lamp? Join our giveaway. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment so Randomizer could choose you as a winner. If the video collects 1,000 likes, we'll announce the winner. Good luck, everyone. Here's the lucky winner who won the gadget in our previous giveaway. Our congrats. Message us and we'll immediately send the gift. You'll find our email in the description below.